Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Professor Amol Mishra, Assistant Professor of Department of Electrical Engineering, SND College of Engineering and Research Center, Yaula. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Professor Amol Mishra, Assistant Professor of Electrical Department, SND College of Engineering and Research Center, Yoga. Today, we are going to discuss on the topic circuit breaker. So first, what is circuit breaker? A circuit breaker is an equipment that breaks a circuit either manually or automatically under all conditions at no load, full load, or short circuit. The operating principle of circuit breaker. Two contacts called electrode closed under normal operating conditions. When fault occurs on any part of the system, the trip coil of the circuit breaker gets energized and contacts are separated. Arc phenomenon. An arc is struck when contacts are separated. Thus, the main duty of circuit breaker is to distinguish the arc within the shortest possible time. The arc provides the low resistance path to the current, and the current in the circuit remains uninterrupted. The arc depends upon the following factors. First is the degree of ionization, second, the length of the arc, and third one is the cross-section area of the arc. The types of circuit breaker based on the arc quenching material. The first is air circuit breaker, second is oil circuit breaker, third one is the vacuum circuit breaker, and fourth one is the SF6 circuit breaker. In first, we have to study the air circuit breaker. In air circuit breaker, the air is used as an arc quenching material for arc distinguish. And second one is the oil circuit breaker. In oil circuit breaker, transformer oil or mineral oil is used as arc quenching material. The disadvantages of oil circuit breaker. It is inflammable and there is a risk of fire. It may form an explosive mixture with air. It requires maintenance. It absorbs moisture, so dielectric strength of oil reduces. And the fourth one problem is the oil leakage problem in the oil circuit breaker. The fifth one problem is the oil has to be replaced after some operations because of the carbonization of oil. Next one is circuit breaker is a vacuum circuit breaker, in which the vacuum is used as an arc quenching medium. It has have greatest insulating strength, and its vacuum pressure is changed to 7 or 10 raised to minus 5 pressure is to be maintained in the vacuum circuit breaker. It is used in 11 kV panel in control room of grid station. The advantages of vacuum circuit breaker are it is compact, reliable, and have longer life. No fire hazards. No generation of gas during and after the operation. It can interrupt any fault current. No noise is produced while operating the vacuum circuit breaker. Require less power for control operation. The main circuit breaker of is the SF6 circuit breaker. The SF6 means the sulfur hexafluoride gas. The sulfur hexafluoride gas is used in SF6 circuit breaker as an arc quenching medium. SF6 is an electronegative gas. It has strong tendency to absorb electrons. When contacts are opened in a high pressure flow of SF6 gas, arc are produced, free electron in the arc are captured by the gas, which build up enough insulation strength to extinguish arc. It is much effective for high power and high voltage services. Advantages of SF6 circuit breaker. It has a simple construction, less cost. SF6 gas is non-inflammable, non-toxic, and chemical inert gas. Same gas is recirculated in the circuit. Maintenance free circuit breaker. Ability to interrupt low and high fault current. And excellent arc extension. Advantages of SF6 circuit breaker over oil circuit breaker. SF6 circuit breaker has short arcing time than oil circuit breaker. It can interrupt much larger currents than oil circuit breaker. It gives noiseless operation due to its closed gas circuit. It has no moisture problem, no risk of fire, no carbon deposits, and no tracking and insulation problems. It has a low maintenance cost. Thank you.